I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas.
Hello everyone, Uncle Charles Walhingford back again with another video, help you out with your image and what you're giving off and your presentation in the sense of style and fashion. I want to show you something that is a pretty cool product that a lot of you may already know about, may not know about. And I wanted to show you how I utilize this particular product. And this is the Perfume Atomizer. This atomizer is a great original, I guess maybe a more original purpose for it. If you wanted to take your favorite fragrance on a plane where you can't have but many ounces on the plane, if you want to take it on the plane and put it in your check baggage, your carry-on baggage, if you want to carry on, you can still bring your favorite perfume, cologne, fragrance, whatever. You can still bring it with you. And that's a great way to do it. I found this on Amazon. It's not terribly expensive. Great invention. I'm not sure how new of an invention it is. It's just something new I haven't seen before, and I just want to bring out to the people watching my videos and everything else. Check it out. Now, let me tell you how I've been using this. I want to show you how I've been using this. What you'll find when you get into fragrances, some fragrances will be better than others, and some fragrances will have something missing, and some fragrances you just won't like because they may be too much or not good enough. And this will happen a lot with your inexpensive fragrances. Your inexpensive fragrances you can try and take the risk because they're not terribly expensive. Your other ones, you want to make sure you get your sample and try it and wear it, because a lot of times when you try a cologne, perfume, whatever, when you spray it, it smells different over time. So make sure you get a sample. But what I have done, for an example, these two right here. Amir Oud Intense Oud. You will see this video, you'll see this depicted in quite a few videos. This is very, very popular. Latafa is the company, and they make a lot of perfumes and colognes and other fragrances. Now, it's popular for a big reason, and it's its own separate video, but it's extremely strong. It's extremely strong, okay? I don't want to get too deep into it. I've done another video with this one right here, and that is Vanilla Potion. Vanilla Potion is very nice. I was very pleasantly surprised on how well it smelled, but here's the thing. Had something missing. So what I did, and it was a pretty smart thing to do, I think. For those of you who don't know, not familiar, I don't have intense training on fragrances. However, I have a good background, or a really good background, or a certified background in culinary arts. And when you're into culinary arts, your sense of taste and smell are stronger than the average person. So I came up with a mixture where I mixed the ratio. Where'd it go? So I have a ratio in here of the Intense Oud of 1 to 4. So the ratio is 1/4 of the Intense Oud to 3/4 of the pure vanilla. Oh, not pure vanilla, Vanilla Potion. It's 3/4 of Vanilla Potion, 1/4 of the Vanilla Oud. Of the Intense Oud, and it is really good. It is a perfect combination, a perfect combination. So maybe you can do that for yourself. You can smell your scent and you mix and match and everything else, especially if you're having an inexpensive perfume fragrance such as these two. They're both of these are under $30. Under $30. Mix and match the scent, and you make a mistake. It's okay. You got these, and in this box, you have, I believe, 4 or 5. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen for you when I got it from Amazon. It's a great deal. It's a great deal, especially for the original purpose. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this helped you out for your choices and perfumes and things like that. Now you might have your favorite perfume, fragrance, cologne. Bring it with you on your trip, and you don't have to put it in your check bag. I'm Uncle Charles Walhingford. I'm here to help.